Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about the future, innovation, and new ways to grow your income, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something massive, something that's already transforming how people work, earn, and live. Artificial intelligence isn't just a cool tech trend anymore, it's creating millionaires faster than ever before. Yes, right now real people are using AI tools to launch businesses, build brands, and manage money in ways we never imagined just a few years ago. So if you've ever wondered how to get ahead in the AI revolution, this video will open your eyes. Let's break it down and explore how AI is quietly building wealth behind the scenes. AI is no longer a concept from sci-fi movies, it's here, and it's embedded in our everyday lives. From the phone in your hand to the ads you scroll past, the content you watch, even the customer service you chat with, AI is behind it all. But here's what's exciting. The people who understand how to use AI, they're not just watching the change happen, they're profiting from it. Entrepreneurs, freelancers, influencers, and students are using AI to create content, automate tasks, manage money, and scale businesses faster than ever before. We're witnessing a financial shift where everyday people are using tools that were once only available to billion-dollar companies. Now, anyone with a phone or laptop can tap into this digital power and create real, measurable success. Let's talk content creation. In the past, you needed a full team: writers, editors, designers, and managers just to keep up. But today, tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, and Descript let one person do it all in a fraction of the time. People are building YouTube channels, writing ebooks, creating podcasts, launching newsletters, all powered by AI. Some are making thousands, even tens of thousands every month. Not because they're experts, but because they know how to let the tools do the heavy lifting. Then there's business automation. AI is streamlining everything from customer support to product recommendations, follow-up emails to marketing funnels. Imagine running a business where AI handles your website chat, follows up with leads, sends invoices, and even creates social media posts automatically. That's not the future. That's right now. And it's saving people time, money, and energy while increasing profits. In the financial world, AI is making smart investing more accessible. Apps like Wealthfront, Betterment, and Kensho use data-driven models to manage your investments with less risk. No more guessing games. These systems track global trends, analyze millions of data points, and help you grow wealth with minimal effort. Even budgeting apps like YNAB and Mint are smarter now. They don't just track spending, they offer personalized plans to pay off debt, grow savings, and hit your goals faster. And there's a mindset shift happening. People are realizing they don't need to follow outdated rules or rely on traditional jobs. The new game is about leveraging AI to create freedom. AI isn't replacing everyone, it's empowering those who know how to use it. Those who adapt, explore, and take initiative are winning big. Let's say you want to launch a digital product, offer a service, or build a brand. AI gives you superpowers. It helps with research, design, marketing, writing, editing, and customer communication. Even virtual assistants are leveling up using AI to manage multiple clients, automate reports, and become indispensable. And the best part? We're still early. Most people haven't even begun to understand what's possible. They're stuck waiting for instructions while others are quietly building digital empires from home. Ask yourself this: how can you use AI today? What's something you already do that AI can help you do better or faster? Maybe it's generating ideas, writing scripts, editing videos, designing logos, managing emails, analyzing trends, or building a website. Whatever your passion or skill, there's an AI tool that can give you an edge. You don't have to be a tech genius. You just have to be curious, open-minded, and ready to learn. AI isn't just about saving time, it's about unlocking new possibilities. The kind of possibilities that used to require entire teams, big budgets, or technical expertise. Now, with the right tools and mindset, anyone can build something powerful right from their bedroom. Let's take the rise of AI side hustles for example. People are now using ChatGPT to write resumes, product descriptions, sales copy, and even full marketing campaigns, and selling those services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Plepperhor. Others are creating and selling digital products like ebooks, course guides, or AI-generated art with little to no upfront investment. These are real opportunities that didn't exist just a few years ago. Some creators are using AI to grow personal brands, automating captions, editing short-form videos, and generating content ideas for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. The results: more growth, more engagement, and more income without burnout. And let's not ignore education. AI is completely flipping the learning game. Want to learn how to code, market, or build a business? AI tutors and personalized learning platforms are helping people learn faster, smarter, and more efficiently than traditional schools ever could. Now imagine combining that learning power with your existing passions and turning it into income. And remember, you don't need to know everything. You just need to start. Start learning. Start testing. Start building. Because the truth is, AI isn't going to wait for anyone. It's evolving fast. And the people who take action now will be years ahead of those who hesitate. So, if you're still wondering whether this wave is worth riding, just look around. The economy is changing. The internet is changing. And how we earn is changing too. You don't have to work harder, you have to work smarter. And AI is the ultimate shortcut to doing just that. So here's your challenge today, not tomorrow. Choose one thing you're interested in. Then, look up an AI tool that can help with it. Whether it's writing, editing, coding, designing, or marketing, there's a tool for you. Play with it, test it, and build something with it. Because the earlier you start, the more you learn. And the more you learn, the more valuable you become. Whether you want to escape the 9-to-5, build a side hustle, or scale your business, the AI revolution is your chance. This is your moment to step ahead of the curve, not just as a consumer of technology, but as a creator, a builder, a thinker, and a leader in the new digital economy. The tools are here. The playing field is open. And the next generation of millionaires, they're already getting started, powered by artificial intelligence. If you found value in this video, hit that like button. It helps more people discover this content. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below, and share this with someone who's ready to grow. Drop a if you're feeling inspired, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.